up, y'all? It's KahlasiaMonae, and I am so glad that you decided to tune in today. If you are new here, hey queens. If you are returning, hey queens. And if there's any guys here, hey kings, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can know each and every time that I post a video. Let's just jump straight into this video. You've been saying things are going so good for me. Things are going so well for me, but it's just that one thing that I can't let go. If you've been saying that, this video is for you. I come to encourage you to let it go, no matter what it might be, no matter how long it happened, no matter if they were close to you, no matter if it was someone you didn't expect, no matter if it hurt you so bad, let it go. Yes, you're doing good. Yes, you've accomplished so much, but guess what? You can be doing so much better mentally. You can be doing so much better spiritually. You can be doing so much better emotionally, but you are holding on to the past. You are holding on to something that you have to release. You've been holding on to something that you don't even know that you're holding. Sometimes you've been holding it for so long you forget that you're holding it until something comes up that triggers you, until something comes up that reminds you, until something comes up that makes you now think and makes you now hurt and makes you now cry. I come to encourage you to let it go. Let those things go. Let it stay behind you as you are moving forward, as you are pressing forward. We have to let it go. We have to release it. Yes, it hurt you. Yes, it hurt you. Yes, it hurt you. Yes, you may not have understand it in the moment. Yes, they meant so much to you. Yes, yes, yes. And all of the yes and yes might be true. The facts might be accurate. Yes, you were hurt. Yes, it caused you pain. Yes, it happened to you. But now it's time to release it. Now it's time to let it go. You have to let it go. You have to let it go. Your future depends on it. Your life depends on it. I know. You said, oh my God, but it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. Why did they do this to me? 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 And God is saying, lay it at my feet. God is saying, lay it at my feet. God is saying, I can handle it. God is saying, there is nothing too hard for me. God is saying, you have to release it. You have to release it. It's weighing on you. It's weighing on you. It's weighing on you. And although you try to show up as your best self, although you try to show up as your happy self, although you try to put on a smile in front of everybody, God says, I see you. Oh my gosh, I see your insides. I see you on the inside. I know what you're thinking about. I know what triggers you. I know the things that cause you pain. I know the things that have you tossing and turning. God said, release it and let it go. God said, lay it at my feet. It's okay. God said, it's okay, daughter. It's okay. God said, it's okay. I got you. I got you. You may have never heard that anyone got you, but God got you. God got you. God got you. God got you. And your secrets are safe with Him. Oh my gosh. Your life is safe with Him. Anything that may have transpired in your life, God knows about it. God knows about it. He don't just know bits and pieces of our lives, but He knows about everything that transpires in our lives. He knows about everything. Oh my gosh. He knows about everything. You can't hide nothing from God. You cannot hide nothing from God, no matter how hard you try. So He said, just lay it at my feet. Just give it to me. I promise. Oh my gosh. I'll promise I'll give you rest for the situation. I promise I'll give you rest for the situation. They may have violated you. Oh my God. They may have done things to you that they weren't supposed to do. Oh my gosh. It may have been loved ones. It may have been people that were so close to you. It may have been people that you looked up to. It may have been your teachers or your friends or your family members. But God is saying, it doesn't matter who it was. It doesn't matter who it was. I am here for you. I am here for you. I come to make you new, not just new on the outside, but new on the inside. He wants to do a new thing in you. Oh my